Custom fields gives you much more control over the information that you hold on each subscriber. Rather than only being able to hold a specific set of predefined values such as the name and email address, custom fields really opens the door to greater customization. Inside your email blaster, you can create up to 50 custom fields to store additional relevant information on each of your subscribers. Data that you hold inside these fields can also be used as mail merge data, allowing you to personalize your mailings even more. In this video, we're going to look at how to quickly set up custom fields. So let's jump right in and import a brand new mailing list with some custom fields. So to do this, we just need to open the main menu and click on Import List. From the import wizard, we just need to drag across our mailing list. And here we can quickly do the GDPR certification. Okay, next we can see the software is reading our data and presents us with a preview. We can see here it's automatically identified our email addresses, and our additional fields are here, so we can use the drop-down menus to map them. This one contains the user's first name, so let's tell the software. This one contains their surname, again, that's map that to surname. Here we can see we have a potential custom field. This one contains the currency which they wish to purchase in. We can see here we've got a custom field already set up with the custom icon called currency. So any existing custom fields that you already have set up, you can reuse them again and again on a new mailing list. And finally, this one contains their country code. If we open the menu here, we can see we don't have a custom field set up or a relevant field that we could use for this. So let's create a new one. Let's click on Add Field. Let's give it a name, Country. And now hit save. Okay, we can see we've created our custom field and it's been set here automatically to map to country. So we just click on next, give our new mailing list a name, and hit finish. Okay, we can see our new mailing list has been successfully imported, and if we open it up, we can see our country code and currency, two custom fields, are in use at the top. From the mailing list section, we can view and manage the custom fields that we have set up. You will notice at the top left-hand side of the screen, we have Manage Custom Fields. If we click on this, we can see we currently have two custom fields, currency and country. If we wish to create a new one, we can click on the plus icon here. Let's create a new one, perhaps called customer number. We can set a field as visible or invisible. By default, it will be set as visible. This means that we can see it and use it throughout the software. If you untick it, it will set it as an invisible field. So whilst it will still exist, it will just remain in the background hidden from the rest of the software. When we're ready, hit save. Okay, we can see we've got our new custom field. So if we open up one of our mailing lists, we can see we're already using two of our custom fields here. Perhaps we wish to store a new bit of data on one of our subscribers to hold their customer number. So we can just click on the subscriber. And you can see from the contact card here, they've got their two custom fields. If we click on Edit, we can now choose to use our new field, customer number. We can enter their customer number here. When you're done, hit Update. Okay, there's our new custom field. If we close the contact card, we can see here's their customer number, custom field. From the menu over here, we can also edit and amend our custom fields. So if we click on it, we can rename it and hit save. We can see we've now renamed it to customer number. Alternatively, if you no longer wish to use a custom field, we can click on the trash can here. Doing so will delete this custom field and any data that is stored in it will also be removed. To confirm the removal, just hit confirm. Okay, we can see this has now been removed and we're back to our two custom fields. After setting up custom fields and storing relevant data, We can then start using the malmerge section to malmerge this data into a campaign. This really opens the door to greater level of personalization. So to do that, let's head over to the campaign section. Here's a campaign that we created earlier. Let's go and edit it. Okay, we can see top right we have our email subject line. If we click on there, this will then open up Subject Builder. We can click on the merge section. From here we can see all our merge tags that are available, and we can see our two new ones that we've created, currency and country. If you wish to use one of these or any of the malmerge tags, it's just a case of clicking it and it will update our subject line accordingly. In addition to that, if we wish to use one of our custom fields inside the body of our campaign, again, we can just mouse over it and click on the edit button to open up the text editor. Okay, in this situation, perhaps we wish to put in the currency that's relevant to each client. So on our second line here, we've got with only 100 deposit. That doesn't really mean anything. So perhaps we wanted it to read as with only €100 deposit or maybe £100 deposit. So to do that, just click here where we wish to push the custom field, open up the merge menu, and then select our currency custom field. And we can put a space in and format it nicely. Okay, we can see we're now putting in our custom field for currency. We can see it's put the tag in the software here. So when the user receives it, they will receive the line with only €100 deposit, with the relevant custom field being shown that you're storing against them. When you're ready to commit, just click Save and Close.